All right. This face, there's a little bit coming down. Looks like there is still an active drip on that pipe. And that's rotting that guy. And then we get to the band here. And that is just toast, the whole band. Oh, man. And it's a single. They did not double band it. All the way to the interior corner wall. It's rotten. And it's coming in up to 6, maybe 8 inches at the widest spot into the plywood under the floor also.
Underneath the butt.
Yeah. So a little different game today for y'all. I'm playing Carpenter today, and we're doing some heavy reconstruction. We're having to lift the floor underneath, and then outside we're gonna have to lift the wall to support the band, which is rotten, all the way at the top, all the way around there, for the whole run of this portion of the wall. And we got to rebuild it all from under here, inside. Reconstruction from within. Welcome to the machine.